What have you got for us, Cobes?
We had Hornby and Tamia come in.
Hornsby.
Hornby and Tamia.
Hornsby.
Nothing
Is
on the
this it
shelf.
here? Oh, you're right. It is a Cleveland steamer.
It's a steamer. I told you. It's
I didn't believe you.
the steam thing.
Love steam.
Live steam. So this one actually steams. It comes with the
So this
pets.
one, chuffs.
Yeah, chuffs.
Chuffs.
This is the, Will James is gonna hate me. I think it's like the sardine can or something, like the spam can.
Spam
Nickname
can?
Spam or something. I don't know. In the comments, tell us what you know about this train, this SR Merchant Navy channel packet, because he said these are quite interesting locomotives.
Wow.
If you're into English rail.
We'll have to get him maybe to do a road test in the studio next week,
Yeah,
if it's still here.
If it's still here, that's right. So this is one, we've got the shot.
DCC fitted 21 pin and steam.
Correct, this is DCC. So you can't run it on your DC layout.
No.
It has steam and lights and sound.
All the bells and whistles, so
and
to speak.
yeah, so steam's pretty interesting. And that's what I was, we'll go over to the overhead camera.
You're going to go to overhead. Let's go to overhead town.
You haven't put the backlight on. No wonder it's so dark.
Oh
Chuck
my
that
God.
one on
Well, I'm
there.
out of practice.
There we go.
How does that float your boat?
Better.
Is it better? Oof. Did you break it?
Nah.
Magnetic.
What else? No, it's all right. We'll make do. This came off for some reason.
That's probably where you can put your little...
I don't know, but that came off and it revealed this plate, which I think it has. Yeah, it is magnetic, but it has something to do with the steam, I presume. What do you think?
I don't know.
I have no idea. Anyway,
I think you put the steam in the top with a dropper.
You do?
Takes like a few drops.
I know.
And the other ones that I've seen, I don't know. I'm not a professional.
Because the Flying Scotsman was super popular with this.
Mm.
Very, very popular. I mean, not cheap, but still very, very high quality, very popular. And that just pops into place. There you go. That's it there.
Done.
Doesn't even make a sound. That's
Precision.
That's in it. They've got a nice.
I like the big wheels.
Nice cabin detail in
so
the
it's
back
a
there.
462, is it? Is that what we're looking at?
Where?
The wheels. Is that what you call 462?
We'll have to consult our Gundam expert.
Is it? All right. You're going to send him a message.
I'm going to send him a message.
Hey.
Look at that.
Look at the valve. Can we call it valve gear? Is that what I can call it?
I don't know. Maybe. Looks pretty good.
Can I get tight? Can I go like... Why isn't it?
You got to do this.
What have you done to the camera?
Out, and now go all the way in. No.
What have you done to
There we go. And now go the other one.
There we go.
If you can... Oh, look at that. Look, it's even got dials. I don't know.
Look at that. I like it. That's a firebox. I've heard that word before.
Not the fight box.
Not the firebox.
Just the firebox. Anyway, pretty incredible amount of detail in there.
Punching the firebox.
No, don't touch.
We're talking about fireboxes.
We're talking about this firebox here.
Nice.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
I love it.
Interesting. So that's that, and then this is the coal tender. One last thing to kind of.
Are you going to overhead that, or what are you doing? You're just going to hold it up.
Yeah.
We'll just wing it. We'll just wang it.
Just trying to get it to focus. Get it on like go now.
Go now.
Overhead.
Overhead.
Look at this.
Deployed.
So the coal can sit in there, and then you can just take it out.
So you could scale it up a bit. You could put your own coal in there if you want.
You can, or you can just leave it empty.
Put lollies in there.
M&Ms. Serve them to the grandkids.
Yep.
And then the coal comes through here, I presume.
Don't know.
It is hollow.
Is it?
It's not a very big plate, not a very big area to shovel coal through.
Well, you only need big enough to get the shovel. What do you reckon?
Maybe a little bit. I don't know. That's it. That's the scoop.
And you've heard it all.
So yeah, we've had this.
Our resident train expert, Kobe.
Thanks.
Hashtag Hornsby lover.